Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use the Bitget app, but before that please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method and it's a very easy way to use it. Make sure you have installed a particular Bitget app on your phone. Now go ahead, tap on it to open it up. Now for the signing purpose, you're going to make sure that you're signed in by seeing your account name on your top left corner. Now you definitely have the settings option, but you will be able to change a language, currency, theme, your quote color, which will simply show you the up and down status of the currency, and change basis, and you can even choose to hide your account. Now if you go back, and you can be able to check out your rewards, referral code, referral, and if you go to this copy section where you will be able to copy trading, and you can say launch pool is right over there. You can edit, and at the bottom at the popular you will be able to check out more of the important option, which also involves a deposit and convert, for you to convert your currency, P2P for the trading purpose, for buying and selling if you have currencies, and converting them to money, and etc. Right, you can see buy and sell and as well at the bottom. Now if you simply go back right over here, you will find this interface looking like this. Now if you would like to go to the market, you will be able to check out the status, include insight, data, right, opportunity, markets, and favorites. Now go to trade, and here you will be officially be able to trade the spot trade, the margin trade, and convert as well your currencies. Now if you go to futures, this will also be future trading. Now if you go to assets, here you'll find your balance. You can add fund by tapping on this add fund. Choose a method for you to add fund to your app itself. These are some basic explanation regarding the feature Bitget app has. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.